Hello everyone, my name is CAMAY from BSN 2H. So today we're gonna talk about patterns in nature. So first things first, what is patterns in nature? Patterns in nature are visible regularities of forms found in the natural world. It has five types. The first one is fractals, the second one is spirals, the third one is symmetry, the fourth one is tessellations, and the fifth one is Fibonacci sequence. So, let's talk about it one by one. Let's go! So first things first, let's talk about fractals. Fractals is a geometric shape that repeats itself infinitely with each part looking similar to the whole. So an example of which is the Juniperus rigida or the temple juniper plant and a cactus plant. Now the second one is spirals. Spirals refer to the visual representation of curves that follow a spiral shape. So an example of it is a giant seashells, spider web, and a mosquito coil or as what we have known as katol. The third one we have is symmetry. Symmetry is a pattern of predictable regularity where our side is something matches the other. So an example of it is the Hibiscus rosa sinensis or the shoe black plant and a scallop shell. So the fourth one we have tessellation. So tessellation is a repeating pattern of shape that fit together without gaps or overlaps. An example of which is sweet corn and a pineapple fruit. And lastly, we have the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is closely related with golden ratio. It is specific than spirals. So an example of this is a earth star plant and a chin cactus. And that's all for the patterns of nature. See you next time. Bye bye.